I got two right there. We got two guys right here. Right here. Watch it, watch it. You want to suppress? I'll bang him. Alright. I'm taking this over. Suppress him, suppress him. Hit. Yeah, I didn't hit you, dude. Come on, man. Come on, dude. Come on, man. Alright, wait right there. Hold him down. They take that position. Right there, to your left. Good stuff, good stuff. Come on, man. Unlimited respawns, dude. Let's go, let's go. Check. Reload. Yeah, I got like the two guys over here. Walking. This is crazy. Whoa! Eric! Holy dude! Nice! Oof! That hurt! Bang! 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 I got you. Whoa! We're both out. That was scary. Yeah. Are you out? Are you out? Okay.
You lit me up. I was sitting there. I was jumped up there reading the instrument. He's behind it. I said, walk away. You picked me in the head.
Yeah. That was good. Changing. Watch that guy in the corner. In the corner, we're behind the door. Where we come in. Get your gun pointed out that way. The second entrance is a guy behind the wall. See him? Wind it. I'm gonna check the flags. Keep holding it. Hey, we still got all the flags? Hit! Nice shot. I got you. Hit! Hey, those are our guys right there?
Yeah, we got hit.
Aren't those our guys right there?
No, not the first, that's far right.
Hey, 3 coming right here.
Come on.
You got 3 here.
Left, what's up?
No tape? Right here on this bunker is a guy right on the other side. All right.
Which side? Left side entrance, right?
No, I'm asking, yeah.
No, there's 2 people.
We're clear right there on his side.
Right on the other side of the entrance.
Yeah, I see them. Remember, they gotta come to us. We got all the flags. They got nothing. Dude, they must have taken off the other side or they gave up. Hey. Hey, if we keep like 2 back, we can move up. I got you. Hit! Just keep holding. They can't do nothing. How many we got? Still. Come here. Rolling up this. Hit! We got all 3 over there. What do we got, Caesar? Caesar, what do we got? What do we got? Hit! Hey, they've got the flag up. Hit! Hey, they already had the flag up. We got to be more aggressive. They got the flag up. We're going to have to rush. Hit! Hey, they're moved up pretty hard on that side. Nick, come on. Try to stop shooting on the first or second hit. Hey, we gotta push up or we're done. It's unlimited. There's no reason to be scared back there. Hit! Nice shot. Nick, come on. Nick. Vinny. I don't like you getting hit. None of you guys ever get hit. It's amazing. You're all bulletproof. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on. Hit! Hey, just send guys out. There's only there's 2 guys on that. Well, I know we can't stay here. Hit! Hey, you gotta be getting hit, dude. There's no way I'm getting hit and you're not. Bang! Bang! You're both done. You guys gotta start calling hits, dude. I know I got you. That's bull. I heard it hit his mask before. I know. I'm talking about the last time. There can't be more than 2 here. Hit! Hit! That's cool. How'd I get hit and you didn't? Again. Oh, look, my gun does work. Hit! Nick! Nick! Hit! Dude, you do see all this, right? I mean, he's out in the middle in the open. He's out in the middle. I unload 100 rounds. I don't hit him. Hit! It's just amazing. No, I got hit from that guy a mile back. Yeah, but I haven't taken one from the foot yet. They're not calling. You can do anything you want. Nick, come on. Impossible. Oh, I got that guy. Look at that. One guy moving up there. No, he's out. Hey, if you give me a little fire, I'm gonna go across. Going across, ready? Poke out there and just give me a little fire, I'm going there. Go. No, dude, there's no bang from there. Hey, am I not shooting? Alright. I still never hit you? Alright. How the hell did I miss you, dude?
I don't know, but you didn't hit me, bro.
No worries.
I felt
You shot me right in my ass.
I felt that last shot, so I knew.
Alright. I thought for sure I got you the first one. This way, I guess. Three or four on that side. That was pretty crazy. You guys didn't know they were there, did you?
I knew they were there. I got shot by a guy all the way over there.
Oh. Go with him. Go with him. Hey, we could go down this side. There's no one here. I just can't see what's over there. Don't stick your face out. There's one guy over there. There's one dude. He's way down. Hit! Oh, we're done. That's it. My guess is they're going to move the VIP up the hall. Those are guys that just went in there? We got to get to the hall. Caesar! I'll go. Hey, Caesar! They got some guys storming the hall. No, they got at least 3 guys up pretty far. Hit! They got guys right there. They're storming the hall. They're storming the hall. Don't let them take the hall or we're done. Hey, you can't be in that room. Come out of the room. Hey, right here, wait. Dude, there's like 3 guys here. I'm gonna kick the door, shoot them. Hit! Hit! They're coming to the hall.
Alright, they're coming to the hall.
Still! Yeah! Yes! Take it. Hit! Dude, I mean, we're both hit. You gotta be out too. Oh, you're lying, dude. Yeah, it's called we don't call ourselves out. He was on our team before. He should know the rules. There's at least 3 or 4 there. He's there?
Yeah. Steve! I'm stuck down, grabbing something off the ground. He knows that.
Hey, bro, I need you to get... No, dude, come on. First of all, he's in my line of fire screaming. Second of all, I shot you the whole way you're running. You're out. What? Dude, I shot you before you even had a chance. Dude, you're still... Tell me you're not hit, right? Thank you. Hey. Dude. All right, let's do it. Hit. Hit.
There's one guy at the end of the hallway, that's it.
Storm him. You can storm and bang him if there's only one.
No, there's at least
Where's our guy? Nick, come with me. Oh, there's the VIP. All right, stay there for 1 second. All right, you know what? Come here, VIP. Let's go. Hey, guys. We need you to make a lot of noise right here. We got the VIP. Let's move him. Go, now. You with us? Make sure he's with us. Hey, come on. Where you going?
What happened, dude?
I don't think you can go in there. I don't think that sounds off limits. Is it?
It was last time I was here.
Where'd the VIP just go?
I don't know.
Going across. What we got? Yeah. Hi. Hello. There's a window here. We got to. That's good. Game over! Go with that guy. Yeah. Alright, with you. At least 4 here. Hit! Dude, you gotta be hit. Oh, sorry, I didn't see your hand up. Hit! Oh, they got 2 there. Yeah. 2 there, watch your back. Which guy are you talking about? Watch your back. Back. I know you're there. And he's not doing anything. Hit! I said hit! Hit! Oh, sorry, dude. Is my guy not shooting? Well, then these guys are cheating. Alright, there's 2 here. I'm gonna run across. Ready? Just make a little noise this way. Reloading! Hey! Hey! Are you red? What team are you on? Are you on the red team or the no tape? Are you on the... What team are you on? Do you have tape? Dude, do you have tape? Idiot. I still don't know if he has tape or not. Bang. Are you in red team or no? Are you, if you're tape, you're dead. When I stand here and say bang, yeah, you're out. Now you gotta go back and hit the wall. I'm not tape, and I just came up and hit you. I don't know what they are. I don't see them. What the hell is the matter with these people today? Hit! Are you serious? He's not going out? You gotta be me. Oh, look at that. What about the guy behind him? Oh, now he's out. Look, when you pepper his ass, he goes out. You're done, dude. Nighty night. I feel a little bad for that dude because I just listened to that. Hey. Hey. Alright. Nick, come in. Cover one of these sides. Watch out. Watch out. Hit! Hit! Bang! Dude, I'll call it when you get me. Hit! No, I just got hit from the front.